After the government has modified the Information Technology Act under Section 66A, the Supreme Court has today asked the government to clarify its stand and has even asked the Attorney General to be present in court tomorrow to clarify its stand. And Meenakshi joins us for more on this big story. Meenakshi, the Supreme Court has taken note of it and it's going to be an extremely crucial day tomorrow.
Yes, absolutely, Deepthi. What is very interesting is now the Supreme Court is seized of this matter. It is a PIL which incidentally has been filed by a Delhi student, and essentially what they are praying for is that Section 66A of the Information Technology Act should be struck down as unconstitutional. That is the primary prayer, and today the Supreme Court went out of its way to hear this matter with great alacrity and has expressed a lot of concern pertaining to certain segments of this particular section, and has just stopped short of issuing notice. But at the same time, the significant thing here is it has sent out specific instructions for the Attorney General, the top legal officer of the government, to be present in the courtroom to clarify and elaborate further what the government has to say, how the government interprets this particular Section 66A of the IT Act. Of course, in the courtroom, there was a prolonged hearing where senior counsels like Mukul Rohtagi and Harish Salve made their submissions, made their displeasure known about certain segments of this section, calling it completely draconian, if you will. And thereafter, the court has expressed a lot of concern pertaining to the elements of this section, and certainly wants to now hear what the top legal officer of the government of India will have to say about its submissions to the Supreme Court, and therefore it has made it very clear that the top legal officer has to be present in the courtroom tomorrow to clarify the government's position. Back to you.